very much. First, I want to say that this nomination is for the Romanian judges and prosecutors who did it and who are doing this every day. And they are the brave ones and the ones who take the risk. So it's possible. And secondly, I'd like to say something else. Also looking at the two of them, there are two categories of people in the world. First category is formed of people who adapt themselves to the world very easily and quickly. This is the largest category. The second category is formed of people who want to adapt the world to themselves. No, I want the world to be as I want it to be, as me. This was said by Mark Twain and also by Bernard Shaw. Now, Giovanni Falcone, Borsellino, and others are part of the second category. I remind you Martin Luther King, who said, I have a dream. One person. It's always one person, remember. 1 + 1. One person can make a change. At the beginning, it's always one. An idea like this cannot come from a large group of people. Can't you see the whole political class, the whole country, let's say, let's finish with corruption, or let's do this. No, it's always one. So, be from the second category, and dare to change the world, to adapt the world to you. And the last sentence of Mark Twain was, and only those from the second category, those who want to adapt the world to themselves, they bring progress. So progress is brought by those who want to adapt the world to them. I believe this. And I'm sure there are investigators, judges, prosecutors, and you, yes. I'm already also a member of, honorary member of protest. We want to change the world, yes, and we do things. We don't wait for others to tell us what to do. We know what to do, we do things. So, all in this room, not many left, if we compare to the morning, we are all from the second category, right? Okay.